A couple of weeks ago, a pair of finch birds built a nest on my porch light. The female bird laid 6 eggs. Then she sat on the nest all day long, and the male bird stayed close by. One day, I noticed there was an egg hanging outside the nest, and there were only 4 eggs inside. So 1 egg was missing. Did the mother bird think she couldn't take care of all 6? I didn't know, but I kindly put the outside egg back into the nest. This morning I thought it was the time the first baby should be hatched, so I went to check. To my surprise, there were only 3 eggs in the nest. What happened? I looked around. Oh my gosh, I found a tiny baby bird hanging out of the nest. How did it come out? Did it crawl out on its own? Or is the nest built too small and too shallow? The baby bird looked so helpless and pitiful. I carefully picked it up and placed it back into the nest. Later today, I checked again. The second birdie was hatched. Now there are 2 eggs and 2 babies in the nest. Hope 4 birdies can grow up. Hope nothing weird happens again.